Students taking the 12th grade English Language Arts second semester course in Edmentum, Unit 1 Research Paper. This video tutorial is devised to help students navigate their way through the research paper for Unit 1 of Semester B. 12th grade students, when you click on the Edmentum DCS 12th grade English Language Arts second semester, please don't be overwhelmed by looking at Unit 1. Typically, we have done the research paper in an ordinary fashion, traditional way, where you have learned the different steps in a one-on-one, very similar to how you would do in a traditional classroom. So I wanted to take the opportunity to walk you through what this looks like this school year. So right now, you will have the other components, okay? First, you're going to have 3 sections that make up that unit. The first one is called Organizing Ideas, and it includes a tutorial and a mastery test. Second, it includes Developing Research Skills with a tutorial and a mastery test, and also Composing a Research Paper, again with a tutorial and a mastery test. And it should also have a post-test that will be available for you. Please pay attention and complete each section involved in this unit. Before this unit will be approved and allowed to be passed on, it will have some parts inside of it that must be completed in lieu of doing the research paper like we've done in the past. We feel that this will help you learn what you need in order to be able to move forward, whether you find yourself going to college, whether you find yourself pursuing whatever pathway that lies in front of you, moving beyond high school. Also, the information will be in the end of semester test. So please, like I said, pay attention to some of the things I'm about to show you. So that is the introduction to the brief information that will be required in Unit 1 of the research paper. This is video number 1.